All right, let's talk. The Digital Markets Act is the EU's attempt to get big companies to toe the line.
About a year and a half ago, they have a page that describes all the changes they make to Windows for the DMA in the European Economic Area. They just sometime between now and next couple of months, they're going to implement a bunch of more changes just based on feedback from the EU, and it's all stuff that everyone listening to this is going to want to have wherever they live. Like when you set the default browser, it actually sets the default browser for everything, not just a couple of things, and has a clear link for PDF as well, and doesn't make you go to Edge in certain circumstances, like unless you chose Edge, obviously. You can take any web search provider out of Windows Search, including the stuff that Microsoft builds in. You can uninstall the Microsoft Store, right? And it will still keep the apps up to date in the background. It just gets rid of the apps. So if you have apps that are included with Windows and they update through the store, that will still happen. It doesn't break it. This is kind of the old, we can't take IE out of Windows. That would break Windows, kind of argument. So they got rid of that problem. And if you are using Bing or the Start Experience app, which is, Jesus, what's wrong with you? But whatever, it will no longer keep prompting you to use Edge. It will just respect your choice and move on.